Welcome to the Studs Icon Helmet Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor Mechanism Replacement. Fully open the visor with your hand. Pull the visor out from its mechanism from one side. Repeat the same for the other side. You can also change the visor mechanism. Take a screwdriver, cover its metallic end with a soft cloth, and take out the side plate. Remove the side plate and cover. Place the new visor mechanism and press it back firmly into its holes. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Top air vent replacement. Your helmet comes with replaceable top air vent. To remove the top air vent, take a thin screwdriver, cover its metallic end with a soft cloth, and take out cover plate. Pull out the cover plate using your fingertips, and then remove the base plate. To install the vent back, fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet, and then snap the cover plate in place. You may need to adjust the position of the vent from close to open as necessary. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, first remove the front visor, then push the sun visor button to open it. Then remove the side plate using a thin screwdriver. The sun visor is attached to its mechanism using screws. Open the screws on both sides as shown in the video. Now gently hold the sun visor from both ends and carefully pull it outward from the edges to remove it. Carefully remove the sun visor completely from the helmet. To put it back, push the sun visor inside its mechanism one by one. Then tighten the screws. Place the sun visor back to its original position. Insert the side plate. Press the sun visor button to close. Reinstall the front visor back to its original position. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front, and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. Repeat the same for the other side. Now both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads back, push the plastic sheet inside first, and then snap the cheek pads back in its place. Liner replacement. The liner on the helmet can be removed for cleaning and replaced as necessary. There are the locks in the front liner in which its inserts fit in. Remove them one by one. Then, remove the plastic sheets from the sides and the back. The entire liner is removed now. You can clean or wash it and insert it back into its original position. Insert the plastic sheets back into its original position. Make sure that the front liner inserts fit into their locks. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealership.